Fishing with the Panfish magnet. A little stream. Let's see what it does. You almost made me fall in.
Haha.
Ah! You're gonna make me cry. Oh, Judd, that one makes me cry.
He said, "Welcome back to UFishUCamp. We just caught a big fish.
Keep videoing me.
We just caught a big fish, and we're so excited. It was a big. What was it called?
That was a bluegill.
We just caught a big bluegill. Okay.
This thing comes in a pack with 1 64-ounce hooks on size 8 hooks and like 8 different colors. Really cool for little bodies of water just like this. Macy, Ray, I got one!
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, that's spreading light on. Oh, it's a bluegill!
It's not a bluegill. I actually think it's a warmouth.
I think it's a crappie.
It's not a bluegill. I think it's a warmouth. I think.
Do warmouths have teeth?
Yeah, look how big the mouth is. It's definitely not a bluegill.
Okay. I just don't want to hold
I'm pretty sure that that's a warmouth.
Can I see its teeth?
There's no...
Oh. You said they had teeth.
That's awesome.
You said they had teeth. Oh, Daddy, I want to catch one. Can you
Okay.
say it?
Just God put them there.
I want to put snakes.
He did put snakes in water. There's probably snake around you right now. You still see it.
Okay.
Macy, hey, look. Look at this sunfish. Look at it. Oh, don't go in the mud, Gruber. There you go. What in the world?
Just before you even cast.
Look. Well, there's the rest of my rod.
Well, at least it broke your rod.
I didn't break it, but
You can fix it.
I can fix it. That was crazy. Bring it all the way into you.
I'm fine.
Bring it all the way in.
I'm fine.
Good job. Okay, right there. Don't reel it anymore. Yay!
That was my first fish I caught.
Yay!
I just touched its tail.
Oh. This one's got something all over it. I don't want you touching it.
Get it.
Pick it up.
Get some up.
No, you don't want to reel. Oh, that's a big fish.
Oh my.
Look at that. That's a big fish.
Oh my.
Good job. Here, you hold it.
Okay, I'll video it too.
Now let's take a look at the viewpoint of what it's like to go fishing in my daughter's eyes.
It's a lot bigger fish, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Look, I can put my finger in his lip. Put it on me so we can see it. Look at that fish. You caught that. Good job.
Daddy, say welcome back to UFishUCamp.
UFishUCamp.
So he said, welcome back to UFishUCamp. We just caught a big fish.
Keep videoing me.
We just caught a big fish, and we're so excited. It was a big. What was it called?
That was a bluegill.
We just caught a big bluegill. Okay. See that ride? That's my daddy's fishing pole. He always catches fish. I think he's the best.
Oh, look at that fish.
What is that one called?
A bluegill.
Oh. Welcome back to UFishUCamp. We just caught another bluegill, but it's tiny. I think it's a baby.
Put it on me. Put it on so that everybody can see. It's a baby, isn't it?
Yeah.
But hey, fishing's fishing, isn't it?
Yeah, fishing is fishing. Thank you. Welcome back to UFishUCamp. We just caught another bluegill.
No, this is a crappie.
We just caught another crappie.
Show up. Look how calm it looks right here. It's warmer over here too, isn't it? Because the water's not coming off that waterfall.
Right?
Yep.
I'm gonna climb that tree.
Oh, Macy Ray. Got one that time.
Yay!
Look at that bluegill.
Whoa! I didn't know I had orange on it.
You see that, the orange on it?
Yeah.
Pretty, isn't it?
I think it's a woman. What if we cut it open and see?
We're not cutting it open.
I don't know. Oh, I don't want to touch it. I just want to touch its tail.
Okay.
Bro. Touch. I touched it so fast I couldn't even feel it.
What's crazy is that the color I picked out didn't catch anything. This one says, why don't you put on pink? And we caught like 10 fish in 5 minutes. You're my lucky charm, aren't you?
Mm-hmm. Hey, this is my sister. Which is a baby.
It's not real, I promise.